overseas. Fishing is a sport. I study like a dork. Bass mags in my drawers where others hide their porn. Can't nobody tell me nothing.
Okay guys, so where we were at for this video, it's Carson's dad's river property, and it was a really nice property. He had built like this really nice shop on it, and it had a really good hole right by it, and it was just a lot of fun. It was down in northwest Arkansas, so hope you guys enjoyed this video.
That's fish right there. Thing is beautiful, man. Arkansas smallmouth.
Jackson's fighting for his 5th fish. Hopefully he doesn't lose it.
Oh, he's right there, dude. That's a nice one, I think. This is a topwater bait, too. Look at that. Oh, my. Dude, this is the smallmouth.
Nice.
Let's go. Look at that. Whopper flopper on there. Look at that thing, man.
Nice.
Beautiful.
I'll get back to you with the release.
Carson just caught his first fish of the day. We were catching these down at my grandma's house. They're pretty cool looking. They're like a carp type thing.
He's doing a little dance.
Yep. There he goes.
Hey, right there.
Guys,
Third
bass
fish.
of the day.
He's catching them all the time, dude. I haven't caught one yet. He's getting all of them. Should we just do one full clip for the release?
Yep. Look at that, dude. We're out here in the middle of the river too. We just waited out here. This water is cold.
Oh yeah, my feet are numb at this point. I just like
Yeah,
I just felt it go numb.
There he goes.
Guys, second bass of the year. He's a small one. Probably 7 inches. Very small bass. About to release him. These guys are they're on kayak.
Yeah, they're out fishing.
And there's another guy up there. That guy up there, he looks like Scott Martin, but we're not gonna talk about it. So let's get the release on this guy.
Got second fish of the day. Yeah, this river is very cold. We figured out it's Sugar Creek. Little Sugar, something like that.
Alright. Smallmouth right there, bro. About to unhook him, we'll get a few more shots with him. Okay, so we're here in Arkansas. I don't even know what river this is, honestly.
I don't know.
But I got Carson with me, and
Yeah,
I just caught this bass right here. We're gonna give him the quick old release. Gone. First bass of the year in the books.
And a day. Look at that. First good catch of the day.
Look at that, bro. Oh
Pretty
my
decent
God.
sized. We're not keeping any of these, I don't think, are we? No. Nice bass.
Thank you very much. Rod out there. This little bobber.
Should I throw him over the hill?
Nah, you should put him in the keep net. Okay, but got the bobber out there. I'm getting bites like crazy, but they're all perch. So see what we can get. Okay, guys, we ended up with 8 perch, some are sunfish, some are bluegills. But yeah, that's the big bag of today. So let's see what's next. Sorry we haven't posted in a while, but that's it for this time on Trax Fishing.